Good morning, students. This is Rahul sir. Today we are going to study about the construction of a triangle. Okay. So the first thing we have here, the to construct a triangle when the three sides are given. How many sides are in this case given? Three sides are given. Look here, AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter and CA is equal to 6 centimeter is given. That means in this case, we have been given three sides. Okay, no angle has been given, only three sides have been given. Okay, so we can take any one side as our base. In this case, we have taken AB as our base. So first we draw a line AB of 5 centimeter. Okay. Now we will take a compass of 6 centimeter. We will take a compass of 6 centimeter. And what is 6 centimeter? CA is our 6 centimeter. Okay. So listen, please pay attention here. So in this case, AB we have already drawn. So point A and point B we already have point A and point B, but we want point C also. But for this we have side CA. CA is 6 centimeter, so we have taken 6 centimeter compass. Okay, R. So and put the point of compass at point A and draw an arc. Okay, draw an arc of 6 centimeter. We will make first arc, then we will take another arc of 4.5 centimeter. We will take an arc again 4.5 centimeter and we will put the compass at point B and draw the arc. So both these two arcs will cut at a point and that point will be called C, and we will join A to C and B to C and we will get our triangle. And after that we will write the statements what the construction is. So we will draw as it is written here, draw a line segment AB is equal to 5 centimeter with A as center and radius 6 centimeter. Draw an arc above AB. Like this we will write all those things. Okay, then the given triangle we have constructed here, that will be our required triangle. Okay, so now let's move to next triangle. So in this case, this is case SAS. That means we have been given two sides and one angle. Okay, two sides and one angle. The angle is which is given here, that is in middle. Okay, that means two sides and the angle between those two sides is given. So what is given here? Here OA is equal to 5 centimeter is given, OB is equal to 4.5 centimeter and angle AOB is given 50 centimeter. Okay, 50 degree. So all those things are given. Okay, so we will now construct the triangle. So what we have to do, first we will draw a side. So let's draw side OA, that is 5 centimeter. So we will draw a side of 5 centimeter. Then next what we will do, we will make an angle. Listen, the angle is given, angle AOB. Angle O is given, that is 50 degree. So at point O we will draw a 50 degree angle with the help of protractor. Okay, with the help of protractor we will make an angle of 50 degree. So we drawn the line. Now what we will do, we will take a compass of 4.5 centimeter. We will take a compass of 4.5 centimeter and draw an arc from point O. So the point where this OB line will cut, that the point will be B. So from B to A we will join and we will get the triangle. So and we will, after that we will write the steps how we constructed this triangle. So draw a line segment OA equal to 5 centimeter. At O, draw a ray OP making an angle 50 degree with OA using a protractor. Mark a point B on the ray OP such that OB is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Like that we will make this triangle. So now let's move to next part. Now in this case, the third part is given. In this, ASA is given, that means angle side angle. Okay, angle side angle is given. Here we have been given two angles and the side between these two angles. It has been given to us. Okay, so here what is given to us? PQ is given 4.8, PQR is 60 degree, and QPR is 40 degree. These three things are given. So there we have been given only one side. So obviously we have to draw that only one side which is given to us. So we will draw PQ 4.8 centimeter. After that, the angle QPR is 40 degree. So at point P we will draw 40 degree angle with the help of protractor. Okay, and at point Q we will draw a 60 degree angle of 60 at point Q. Okay, now these two lines, wherever they will cut, that point will be R, and the triangle PQR will be our required triangle. This is how we will draw our triangle of ASA case. Now let's move to the last part, that is RHS case. RHS means right angle, hypotenuse and side. In this case we have been given a right angle, hypotenuse and a side has been given. So for this what we will do, first of all we will make a base. The base is given, PQ is 4 centimeter, so we will draw PQ as 4 centimeter. At point P we will draw 90 degree with the help of protractor. With the help of protractor we will make 90 degree angle. Now we will take an arc of 5 centimeter. We will take an arc of 5 centimeter, and from point Q we will cut the line PX with the help of compass. So where this line will cut, that will be our point R, and we will join point R to Q, and this will be our next side, and the given triangle will become our required triangle. So PQR will be our right RHS, right angle, hypotenuse, side triangle. So now likewise we can draw all these exercise 4.2, and we can draw all the triangles which is given in exercise 14.2. So complete this exercise. Thank you.